Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and my name is Boniface Lice and I'm in it. And my metric number is 09DEE21F1045. Today, I welcome you to talk about applications of differentiations in real problem. Differentiations in mathematics is a process of finding derivative or rate of change of functions. In contrast to the abstract natures of the theory behind it, the practical technique of differentiations can be carried out by purely algebraic manipulations using three basic 4 rules of operation and the knowledge of how to manipulate functions. There could be millions of reasons why we use differentiations, but commonly we can determine the max and the minimum values of a particular function, and it also allowed us to find rate of change, and it aids us to be more accurate and precise. And for example, like for the cars, they use applications of differentiations to detect speed and milestone covers, while in hospital, like the COVID nowadays, they use it to check temperatures. In business, application of differentiation can be used also as to calculate profits or loss particularly. Now let's talk about related rate. What is related rate? It is a knowledge of derivative to solve a related rate problem. We use it to find rate of change of one quantity in order to know another rate of change of another quantity. It is exactly to find the rate of change of two or more related variables that are changing with respect of time. And now I'm going to leave the sessions for my fellow friends.
Assalamualaikum. The name given is Khairul Rahman bin Syaifulizan. My number matrix is 09DEE21F1009. The question given is radius of a circle is decreasing at a rate of 7 cm per second. Find the rate of change of the area of the circle when the radius is 4 meter equals to 400 cm. The dV over dt that we have got is negative 7 cm per second, while the dA over dt is unknown. We need to find the area first. The formula for the area is A equals to pi r square. And then the formula for the dA over dr is 2 pi r. To find the dA over dt is we need to multiply the dA over dr and the dr over dt. dA over dr is 2 pi r, while the dr over dt is negative 7. After multiply it, we will get negative 14 pi r. And when r is 400 cm, the dA over dt will be negative 14 pi and the r will be 400. After we calculate it, we will get negative 5600 pi centimeter per second.
Hello, my name is Alexander Kwekaseng. I'm from DE2A. My NPS number is 09DE21F1093. I'll explain the next question for this topic. A spherical balloon is inflated at rate of 3 cm per second. Find the increment rate of the radius when the radius is 2 cm and 4 cm. As you can see, dV over dt is 3 cm per second. We need to find dr per dt. First, the volume of sphere is 4 over 3 pi r square. We use dy per dx, that is dV over dr equals to 4 pi r square. Then we use chain rule, dV over dt equals to dV over dr multiplied by dr per dt, that is 3 equals to 4 pi square r square multiply dr per dt. So dV per dt is 3 over 4 pi r square. Okay, right now we can find the increment rate of radius when the radius is 2 cm and 4 cm. When r radius is 2 cm, we use the formula back, dy over dt that we found, 3 over 4 pi r root square. So we put in the 2 in r, that it will be dy over dt equals to 3 over 4 pi r equals become 2 square. So then the final answer will be 3 over 16 pi centimeter square per second. And when r equals to 4, we use back the same formula, but we use it dv over dt. Then it will become 3 over 4 pi 4 square. And the final answer will be 3 over 64 pi centimeter square per second.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Azad Mufti bin Asni. My metric number is 09DEE21F1078. In conclusion, we conclude differentiation is essential in each aspect of our daily life because many problems by this concept in mathematics, which is differentiation. And the very important of such equation has already brought wonder in field of engineering, astronomy, physics, business, and ton of other. For question and answer, what is application of derivative in architecture? One use of derivative in architecture design is determining the area of an irregular shape. It is the reason why we have building that is in regular shape, just like Gothic chandelier that has a lot of curvatures on the archer. On a regular basic, say architect is said to create a design that of a regular modern house. Calculate the area of the structure is a simple matter. But if one or more of the wall are curved, for example, the architect will use derivative to determine the area of the structure as well as figure out how much concrete will be need to pour into those curved wall. Besides that, application of derivative in engineering is radar gun. This equipment used by police to measure the speed of car by its time and distance at which the radar was unable to hit a certain selection of the vehicle. With the use of derivative, it's enabled to measure the precise speed of moving vehicle and also delineate the distance of the vehicle from the radar gun.